Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by sorting and inspecting garments. Treat visible stains now so detergent can act. Once sorted, place clothes loosely into the drum, balancing heavy items opposite each other to prevent vibration. Make sure to empty pockets and zip zippers to avoid damage. Also check care labels so you choose the right cycle. Use about 1/3 of the drum capacity for regular loads. This allows proper water flow and cleaning action. So load evenly and close the door securely before selecting settings. You now choose the cycle and dosing based on fabric care labels and soil level, because cycle and temperature determine cleaning effectiveness and fabric safety. Once done, measure detergent precisely, follow machine or detergent guidelines, then add to dispenser compartments, detergent, bleach, or softener. Make sure to pick water temperature suitable for the load. Cold for colors to prevent fading, hot for whites or greasy stains. Also set spin speed to manage drying time and reduce wrinkles. You finish by removing clothes promptly to prevent odors and wrinkles. Give delicates gentle reshaping and hang them to dry. Once done, wipe the door seal and clean the detergent drawer occasionally because buildup causes smells and reduces performance. Make sure to leave the door ajar to air the drum. If things go wrong, check for common issues. Rebalance an unbalanced load to stop vibration, clear the pump filter, or drain hose if water remains, and consult error codes if the machine displays one.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.